Congruency of triangles and similarity of triangles. First, let us discuss about congruency of triangles. Before going to understand congruency of triangles, first we have to know congruent figures. Two figures having the same shape and same size are called as congruent figures. For example, two line segments are congruent if they have same length. Here, the two line segments AB and CD are having the same length 5 cm. Hence, they are congruent. Two angles are congruent if they have same measure. Here, both the angles PQR and XYZ are equal to 60 degree. Hence, they are congruent. Two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Here, both the circles are having the radii 2 cm. Hence, they are congruent. Two squares are congruent if they have sides of same length. Here, both the squares MNPQ and SVUT are having the same side length 2.2 cm. Hence, they are congruent. Note that two geometrical congruent figures can be made to superimpose one on the other so that one exactly covers the other. And also, two congruent geometrical figures have same parameters. Now, let us understand congruency of triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if all the sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the other triangle. See the figures. In triangles ABC and DEF, AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to DF, and BC is equal to EF. And also, angle A equals angle D, angle B equals angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Hence, all the sides and angles of triangle ABC are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the triangle DEF. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This is the symbol used to indicate the congruency of figures. We read it as congruent to. When we write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, it means the vertices A, B, C correspond to the vertices D, E, F in that order. If we write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFD, it means angle A is equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle F, and angle C is equal to angle D. And also, AB is equal to EF, BC is equal to FD, and CA is equal to DE. Observe that here the vertices A, B, C correspond to the vertices E, F, D in that order. See the difference. So, while using the notation for congruency, keep the order of the vertices in proper way. When triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, see the corresponding angles. Angle A corresponds to angle D. Angle B corresponds to angle E. Angle C corresponds to angle F. Corresponding sides are AB corresponds to DE, BC corresponds to EF, AC corresponds to DF. This symbol is read as corresponds to. In congruent triangles, angles which are equal are called as corresponding angles, and sides which are equal are called as corresponding sides. Now, let us discuss about the similar figures. Two figures having the same shape and not necessarily the same size are called as similar figures. See the examples. The circles are having the same shape, hence they are similar. The squares are also having the same shape, hence they are also similar. Here the equilateral triangles are having the same shape, hence those are similar. These are the photographs of the same monument but are in different sizes, hence they are also similar. From these examples we understand that two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called as similar figures. Now let us know about similar polygons. Two polygons of same number of sides are similar if all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in proportion. See the figure. In quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS, angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, angle C equals angle R, and angle D equals angle S. And also AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CD by RS is equal to DA by SP. It means all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence, the quadrilateral ABCD is similar to the quadrilateral PQRS. Similarly, in pentagon ABCDE and pentagon PQRST, all the corresponding angles are equal and also all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence, those are also similar. Now, let us discuss about the similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal or their corresponding sides are in proportion. See the figure. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A equals angle D, angle B equals angle E, and angle C equals angle F. And also AB by DE equals BC by EF equals CA by FD. Hence, their corresponding angles are equal and also their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is the symbol used to indicate the similarities of figures. We read it as similar to. This is also another symbol for similarity. In two similar triangles, angles which are equal are called corresponding angles. Hence, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then angle A corresponds to angle D, angle B corresponds to angle E, angle C corresponds to angle F. These are the corresponding angles. In two similar triangles, sides opposite to equal angles are known as corresponding sides. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then AB corresponds to DE, BC corresponds to EF, CA corresponds to FD. These are the corresponding sides because these are opposite to equal angles. It means angle C is equal to angle F, hence their opposite sides AB and DE are the corresponding sides. Now see the difference between congruent triangles and similar triangles. In case of congruent triangles, the corresponding angles are equal and also the corresponding sides are equal. If we take the ratio of the corresponding sides, we get the value 1. Here they are having the same shape and same size. In case of similar triangles, the corresponding angles are equal but the corresponding sides are not equal. If we take the ratio of the corresponding sides, it will not equal to 1, it may greater than 1 or less than 1. These are having the same shape but not same size. We can also conclude that congruent triangles are always similar, but similar triangles are not necessarily congruent.